it's Claire, and it's time for What's New. It even says new on the package. So today I'm reviewing Big Chewy Nerds, crunchy and chewy candy. So I had Nerds before, but I never had these. So let's try it. So the flavors are Orange You Nerdy, Left Click Lemon, Strawberry Squared, and Gaga Grape. So let's try them. Okay, so I'm going to get one of each flavor on the plate, and then pour some in. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're really cool colors. So let's try them. So I'm going to try the strawberry square first. That one's a 10 out of 10. So it's like a nerd and a gummy combined. That's really good. So it's like a gummy with nerd outside coating. So now I'm going to try Orange You Nerdy. Now I want to give it a 9 out of 10 because it wasn't as sour as the strawberry one. Okay. Now I'm going to try Left Click Lemon. That one's a 10 out of 10. It's really good. Yeah. So now I'm going to try my favorite nerd flavor, the grape one, but I'm trying it the big and chewy version. So I have Gaga Grape as my last color. 11 out of 10. That's really good. Okay. So overall, it's about a 10 out of 10. I would recommend it. Comment down below if you had this candy and you liked it. So, like and subscribe for more candy fun. Bye-bye.